Assalamualaikum, my name is Murfika binti Muhammad Noor and I am from Kuliah 15. I'm going to explain about the principle of laser, which are absorption of radiation, spontaneous emission and stimulated emission. Absorption of radiation is a process by which electron in the ground state absorbs energy from photons to jump into the excited state. The electron orbiting are very close to the nucleus in the ground state, while it's very far from nucleus in the excited state. The electron needs some extra energy to jump into the excited state. This energy is provided from various sources such as light, heat, and electric field. When photons or light energy is equal to the energy difference of the two levels, the ground state electrons gain sufficient energy and jumps into the excited state. The absorption of radiation or light occurs only if the energy of incidence photon exactly matches the energy difference of the two energy levels. Spontaneous emission is a process by which electron in the excited state return to the ground state by emitting photons. Excited electron only can stand for a short period of time. The lifetime of excited electron is 10 to the power of -8 seconds. Electron move naturally from excited state to the ground state. Therefore, so the emission of photons also occur naturally. Therefore, we have no control over when excited electron is going to lose energy in the form of light. The photons emitted in this process constitute ordinary incoherent light. Incoherent light is a beam of photons with frequent and random changes of phase between them. In other words, the photons emitted in this process do not flow exactly in the same direction as incident photons. Stimulated emission is a process by which incident photons interact with the excited electron and forces it to return to the ground state. The light energy is supplied directly to the excited electron. The excited electron doesn't need to wait for the completion of their lifetime. In this process, two photons are emitted. One is due to the incident photons and another one is due to the energy release of excited electron. This process is very fast compared to the spontaneous emission. All of the emitted photons have the same energy, same frequency, and are in the phase. Therefore, all photons travel in the same direction. The number of photons emitted depends on the number of excited electrons and the incident light intensity.